This Christmas, I'll dream of a private yacht. Sail anywhere if it's hot. But I got the dream that's making me beam. It's you, me, and mistletoe. I'll dream of a Christmas tree lit up with a gift for me. But this I insist is top of the list. It's you, me, and mistletoe. Twinkling lights, crackling fire. Let's watch the snow. Wintry nights full of desire that dreams only know. Don't you know this song is for you, my dear? This Christmas I long to hear that finally the theme is more than a dream about you, me, and mistletoe. Of a happy throng, good friends and a Christmas song. But perfect for me is a party of three. That's you, me, and mistletoe. I'll listen to children sing, no doubt in the joy they bring. But my heart's desire is away from the choir. It's you, me, and mistletoe. Jingling bells, cozy hotels, we're dressed for snow. All that I miss is a Christmassy kiss from an angel I know. This Christmas,
my
hold
God.
up on that private jet. It ain't made me happy yet, but
Hey, Mr. Churchill comes over here to say we're doing splendidly. But it's very cold out here in the snow, marching to and from the enemy. Oh, I say it's tough, I have had enough. Can you stop the cavalry? That is when I say, oh yes, yet again, can you stop the cavalry? Mary Bradley waits at home in the nuclear fallout zone. Wish I could be dancing now in the arms of the girl I love. Dum-ba-dum-ba-dum-dum, dum-ba-dum-ba-dum, dum-ba-dum-dum, dum-ba-dum, dum-ba-dum-ba-dum, 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 dum-ba-dum-dum, dum-ba-dum-dum. Wish I was at home for Christmas. Bang, that's another bomb on another town. Wilders are and Jim have tea. If I get home, lift up, tell the tale. I'll run for all presidencies. If I get elected, I'll stop. I will stop the cavalry. Wish I was at home for Christmas. Wish I could be dancing